NVIDIA may have a big opportunity very soon. What is that? What is the insight from the chart? Today, I will give you the strategy, how to trade NVIDIA. Last video, basically back to February, I have mentioned NVIDIA, we have a big alert sign, which is around this area. So from that point, basically we dropped by 23% so far. So can we still buy NVIDIA or should we dump the stock right now? Today, I will give you the insights. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to learn more and make more. Hit like, subscribe, share with your friend. So NVIDIA, basically in my previous video, back to like February, many times I have mentioned, if you watch my video, I told you NVIDIA have an alert. NVIDIA have an alert because we have many signal telling us this one, we actually, the fund is moving out. So I want to show you how to actually, by the way, this is only for education purpose, how to trade, how to sell, and how do you sell in time, okay? So it's very easy. Actually, if you look at the weekly chart, just look at RSI. This is a free indicator, by the way. RSI to tell you overbought, oversold. Okay. So what happened is I want to show you this one. So the RSI have a big overbought signal here. Overbought signal. So even you don't have my indicator, we remember we buy low, sell high. So when we are in this area, you need to be very cautious. Any signal, you can trigger the sell signal. Okay. Any signal, you need to be like very alert when you're in this kind of area. And then we go back to our daily chart. Our daily chart, okay, if you use my OBOS, is more clear. When we have disappeared the yellow candle, when they flash a candle below the yellow candle, I repeat, below the yellow candle is the one of the sell signal, okay? So this is the yellow candle disappear and you sell. Okay, and this one is also the yellow candle, the close below you sell. So you have one sell signal, two sell signal, and they give you second chance to sell. Okay, even they have divergence here. What is divergence mean? If you look at the funding, you may look at the YM big buy. This is my indicator for the funding. We need to know the fund movement, right? For the short-term movement, you can see the price flat or the price is going flat sideways and the fund is going down. You can look at the peak. So it means the momentum, the funding momentum is not really catching up. This is one of our alert here, okay? So basically you need to sell and then they go under zero. They go under zero. It means the market is very weak here, basically here, okay? You can sell here or even here. Why? Why here? Because they drop below the blue line. They drop below the blue line, you may reduce the holding. And they have another signal called OBOS to tell you to sell, and the YM big buy to tell you also to sell because they have divergence and minus zero, and they have the red candle. Red candle mean net sell more than net buy. So basically net sales for big volume trade. This indicator filter big volume trade, not the total volume, but the big volume trade. Another thing for the fund movement is YM cheapest. If you look at this, is going down. So basically you can see the funding is going out. But something happened recently is for the big tech for the big tech stock. So when you go so far, we go down already by around 23%. For the big tech stock, as long as we have the blue line, which is the big trend line, to tell you this one, the YM Club Super Long, to tell you the trend, the super long term, we are still going upward. We're still going upward, okay? So basically, when the big tech company go down by 20 to 30%, it may be one of our opportunity, okay? So let's say you don't have my indicator and I'm teaching you how to read this kind of opportunity. But of course, it's less easy if you have it's more difficult to spot those opportunity if you don't have any indicator, okay? So let's say let's look at here. So basically, first we go down by already from 20 to 30%, number one. Number two is we have a gap basically here. If you can see, let me check here. You have a gap support around this area. Okay, so basically it's possible we touch here and they come up again. Okay, but one thing you need to be alert is if you look at my if you have my indicator is easier. Why? Because once they go above this red line, it's one of our buy signal. Okay, the red line is very, very fast. Okay, once they go above this red line and the red line change upward, this is our buy signal. Okay, and also the YM big buy should go above 0. Minimum, they should flash a green candle, but not yet happen, although now they up by 3%. And also the YM cheapest, another signal is to go above this purple line. If you're very stable, if you are not so aggressive investor, you can use YM cheapest for more long-term trade. If you are quite like if you're very fast trader, you may use the YM big buy. This is more for short-term trade, okay? But one thing I want to give you a bit alert here, the blue line actually is slightly tilting downward. What does it mean? When the red line go up and the blue line go down, what does it mean? This means rebounds. The market, we still have rebounds. We not yet show the trend reversal yet. Not yet, okay? So always, rebound signal come before the trend reversal. So we don't know exactly is it going from this is the low point, they're going up. We don't know yet. But another indicator of mine is called YM chip entry to tell you the fund coming in at this moment. Okay, the funding coming in. But remember, we don't trade this solo. We don't use this as a one single indicator because this one can last for a while. Okay, for example, this one happened here. Okay, they up, down, up, down, up, down. They happen again. Okay, and then they go up. It just tell you the relative low price zone. Okay, it just tell you relative low. The institution come in, but remember we have more than one institution, and institution have much more money than us, right? So they can separate the different entry point. They can have multiple entry point. So this is NVIDIA. So for example, if you look previously, you look, they can last for a few months to buy this stock in this area and still not yet going up. Okay, even some cases when on the way going down, they start to have the buying, but not yet the bottom, but just tell you the relative low zone. This signal never happened at the high price, never. Okay, because they are very smart people, right? So they're smart. So they only buy when it's cheap. Okay, and we need them to enter the fund to tell us, hey, they are buying. Do we need to follow right now? Not yet, I would say. Although I told you in my last video, I say basically Monday, which is today, most likely they will go up for S&P 500. Why? Because we hit the support, okay? And we have different indicator tell us basically it could have a rebound. But I say rebounds because many stock actually is doing downward, okay? So we can, what happened? What is the strategy? When they go above the red line here, plus the YM big buy show above 0, you may buy, or this one go above purple line, you may add your position, okay? But not 100%. Why? Because we are still in the rebound zone. We not yet confirmed this is the bottom, but we can add our position, okay? Once they go above. Now, not yet happened. Now, not yet happened, okay? So if you hold NVIDIA, if you did not listen to my video, basically click like, subscribe, share with your friend now, and put on the bell. And if you did not sell around this area, okay, you did not sell here, you did not sell here, you did not sell, you did not do anything. If you're long-term holder, just hold it, okay? But if you want to reduce your holding, maybe you wait until they go to the next resistance so you can you can maximize your profit. This is by the way, this is only for education purpose. We don't recommend any trade. So this is, I just want to tell you what's going on with the chart, how to read that. So see you in the next video. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend if you like this kind of video. Bye.